On our way to Crash Boat. Eddie's in the front.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Look at the painted houses. The house of the mayor, the one with the gold dome. So we just ate lunch at this spot with this beautiful view. And now we're going back to the boat. Oh, okay, it looks like an iron. That rock that we just passed, it looks like an iron.
Y a eso, los tres amigos y el enojado, la que está separada.
Oh, okay.
Eso es un cuento que hay.
Esos peñones.
Esos tres peñones juntos que vienen.
Ajá.
Y este que está separado le dicen el enojado. Y los tres amigos.
Los tres
Y ahí
amigos.
para adentro tiene que ser llanito, ¿verdad?
Eso eran unas playas privadas.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
We're at Cueva Ventana today. Gonna do a little hike to go see the cave. This is in Arecibo, Puerto Rico, and it's about $21 a person, and they take card and cash. On our way to start. So we give our ticket and then we get a helmet. Trying to put it on with my bun.
The humidity here is very high, so I guarantee you that we are going to sweat a lot, okay? Right now we are like 800 feet above the sea level. In this forest we have 3 caves. The first one that we are not going in is that one behind you. You can see a small cave up there. That one is the smaller. The name of this one is Peewee Cave. The next one, in that one we are going in, is Clara Cave, who is in the end of this trail. Clara means like light or illuminated. It's because that cave gets some light from the outside. But you will see that soon going. Okay? Now let's continue walking around the forest. Maybe the chupacabra.
I've been waiting to see him. All my life I've been waiting to see him.
This one with the big leaf, that's the yautía.
Really?
Yeah.
Tia.
That's the one that we eat the root.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a tuber, like yam.
Look at the bats.
Watch with the vampire bat, guys. Yeah.
I thought they were bats. Wow.
Bedroom made by them. This one look like a sun. These two look like faces. How we know these carvings are authentic? Because the expert came around, archaeologists, and do carbon-14 tests to know the age.
Wow.
This one have like 800 years old.
Wow.
Also, you will see names, letters, all that you can read are vandalized. We have 27 of them in the whole system. I'm going to show you like 3 or 4 more in the next case. Here who make that famous sound, Koki. Know this, we have 27 of them. 17 of them. Of those 17, just 2 of them make that famous sound, Koki. The common one and the mountain Koki. The other one make other sounds, different sounds. That one who's singing is the common one. And it's just the male. The female are mood. When the male is singing with the call is telling another male, get out, this is my land. And with the key is calling the female, come over here, baby. We're going in this way, and like you see, we're coming back this way. Okay? The other way out is just 700 feet of free fall. So we're coming back this way. Okay with you?
Yeah. We're gonna turn off all the flashlights to see how dark it is.
Turn off the flashlight, guys. Let's see how dark it is. Let me show you that. Really fast, just some couple of seconds. Don't worry. Okay. This is just 300 feet long cave. In Puerto Rico, we have cave with 17 kilometers.
It's bumpy from the water. There it is. The window. Wow, look at the view. This is the main attraction. The window cave, Cueva Ventana.
Salvadoreño. Te explico, Arecibo es el pueblo donde estamos. Y los ríos en Puerto Rico casi siempre tienden a llevar. You can get closer. You can stand in this small flat over there. Welcome to my office, guys. I usually have full beer, but not today.
This is beautiful.
Right? Wow. Oh, yep, there it is, Gozalandia. They went up higher this time. There goes Victoria. Eddie's turn. So you come here, you go up the tower, and you can see the salt flats, and then you go into this building here. That is just a ton of salt right there.
You just make me feel the rain we shine.
What's that? Oh my gosh. Ooh. ¿Dónde? Ay, sí. I got my salt. This bag was only $1 for all this sea salt. She said I can just put it like in a pepper grinder. And according to this pink flap, Indians used to use this to trade with. So this has been here for centuries. Prohibido subir a la pila de sal. Prohibited to go into the salt. Looks like snow, kind of. Oh, it's hard. Like it's solid. So I'm guessing this is like all the water that they dehydrate and extract the salt from. These are like the salt flats. You can see it there, the crystals. Wow. It's like shiny. It looks like it has glitter on top of the water. Ooh, it's solid.
It's solid?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
right here.
You can taste it.
I mean, you could if you want to.
Put your hand in it. Put your hand in it. It's salty.
It's closed because we came after 5, but they made like a pool in the water. If you can notice, they built like a little deck.
That's why they made this, like a pool. So they, I don't know, they do like a Maya, so it cleans the water, and so you could go in there and you're not gonna have all of this on your body. So that's the clearest water you're gonna get from here.
Okay.
And she explained, like again, you're on the best side of the land, and the ocean is the crash boat. You're not gonna get anything better than the crash boat. So don't look for none on the beach.
Walking to the way to jump off again. I don't remember all of those rocks being there. El Cabo.
See the fish.
The fish, yeah. This is the end of it now, and it used to go all the way up to the orange buoy. You can see it there on the floor.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! So we just swam from here all the way to the orange buoy with this guy and a few other people. They had the guy had some extra masks and a life vest. So we took the swim and you see all the ruins on the floor. It's so sad, but it was really cool. It was tiring, but it was cool. The water's so clear. And then the guy, Nestor, he said that it gets even more clear. He said it's dirty right now. I was like, what? That felt good. Haven't jumped off in like 6 years or something like that. And it's so scary the first time. Puerto Rican pizza. You'll find them in trucks everywhere and they're so good. This one is by Jose Diego. Dos de quesito, de queso y guayaba, una cortez y el resto glaze. Sí. Always gotta make a stop in Krispy Kreme, Puerto Rico. It's a tradition. They have donuts that they don't have in the US, like guava, quesito. They have cheese and guava, Nutella, and then chocolate cortez. I made it here just on time. They were closing.